Good morning. It is our ninth day here in Greece, fourth night total now in Athens. We did 5 nights in Crete, and now we are headed to the metro to take us to Larissa Station, which is the Hellenic train station, or the Eurail station, I believe. It's the train that takes us farther up into the countryside so that we can get to Kalambaka, which is the town you stay at right outside of Meteora. This was a great last minute find. 2 nights ago, we were just so tired around midnight, and we knew we were gonna have to be up in around 3 hours from that point to go to the airport. So we just booked this really quickly, last minute, and this was on booking.com. This 2-bedroom apartment with air conditioning and a full kitchen and a small balcony to enjoy, was less than, I think, 90 euros a night. It was around 90 euros with tax. I think maybe like 90 to 100 euros per night. Compare that to some of the nice hotels in the area for 200 euros a night, and you don't get a 2-bedroom apartment with a balcony. So sometimes you just find some of these gems, and booking.com has a whole bunch of different things like hotels, units like this. This is like kind of like an Airbnb vibe right here. This unit might also be on Airbnb, I'm not sure. Well, this unit has been amazing. Now we are off to the metro, and then from there, Larissa Station in Athens. Put the phone to your face.
How about you get in and then I'll back in. That way my stuff doesn't get cut. Okay.
Man, that's crazy. That's not something we're not used to. It's dangerous. Across the street and through the park to the metro station.
What time does the train come?
The Larissa Station train?
This train.
Oh, it's like every 10 minutes or so.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the metro, so it comes regularly.
But when
Larissa Station is 10:58. We might use the second trip when we come to Larissa Station all the way back to the airport. So we just need 5 euros. You want to use cash or card?
It's 2 coins.
He's going, yep. I'm sorry. Antuli. That's where we need to go to, Antipuli. Yep, we take this to the Larissa Station. I know we have to go towards Antipoli. Man, the metro in Athens on a weekend is no joke. You really have to pack in there. And you have to make sure you get out at your stop too, and it's extra hard when you have a bag in your back and a bag in your front. Alright, here we go. Up on first. Keep going that way. All right, stop. There we go. All right. No, this is the station we need to go to. This is where the big train is. We just need to ask
Find the big train.
which train we're on, show them our tickets. Yeah. Maybe when you enter the train. But I specifically said we're doing a train to Paleofarsalos and then we're going on a bus to Kalambakos. And he said, number 8. He said across, left, down, and up. Yep. Oh. Oh, the other side. That's what he meant by down and up. Yeah. Okay. Well, cool. All right, so now we are at Larissa Station, and we are waiting for our train to take us to Paleofarsalos, and then from there, we get on a bus to Kalambakos to see Meteora tomorrow. I think we're on the left side.
Κυρίες και κύριοι, σε ένα λεπτό η αμαξοστοιχεία θα αναχωρήσει. Παρακαλούμε κύριοι επισκέπτες που δεν ταξιδεύουν να αποβιβαστούν από την αμαξοστοιχεία. Σας ενημερώνουμε ότι το κάπνισμα απαγορεύεται καθ' όλη τη διάρκεια του ταξιδιού. Ευχαριστούμε. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Helen, train and the crew welcomes you on board the 52 Intercity train with final destination the city of Thessaloniki and intermediate stops at Noi, Thiva, Livadiati.
Nice sandwich.
Got ourselves a little train pita. Just gotta stay busy.
He does exercise.
I think he just wants to jog.
Έχει περάσει τουλάχιστον 7 φορές.
I don't know how anything's ever gonna beat the Inca rail.